is our first video. So we're here in Pynursla and we want to go. We are going to go to a cave and we want to take you guys in this trek with us, and I hope you guys will enjoy.
This is our first video, so we're kind of like very awkward. We don't know what to say, but let's just go. The cave is just a step down. Reflect on the stone. Daya, put the flash on the stones. Put your flash on the stone. Wow. The stone that looks like a lion. Lion and tiger na ni? You know rhinoceros. We're on our way back now. We've been left again. And it's just me and Daryl. Daryl, how are you feeling?
안녕하세요.
How are you feeling today?
Awesome,
You're feeling awesome? Here we have our what, cameraman. No, not cameraman. Lunga. No, you can't talk. Our guide. No, that's our guide. That's our guide. Hi, ba. This is our, excuse me, cameraman slash driver. The river, and one eternity later, after so many steps, we are here.
This is on your body and my memory, baby, nothing comes close. It was the summer of love, a delicate daydream, and for a couple of months it felt like we were 18. Yeah, it was the summer of
So basically, this is something that I've never done before, and we're going to wear these life jackets, these army life jackets. And we're gonna
They don't.
clothes. We don't even have extra clothes, but okay.
But it's hot, so you're gonna do it. How do you feel, bro? How do you feel?
It's so good. I feel good. I feel amazing.
There is one floating on a rock. The other one is floating on another rock. This is how non-swimmers swim. A scene from Titanic you've never seen before.
Come back.
There we have Daryl having an existential crisis. There is we're flying the drone.
Guys, I hope you enjoy our first vlog ever, and please forgive us if we were too awkward. And to more treks for this year, 2020. Bye! Bye!
We should be like we're in a Hasi music video, no? And then?
And then you do it.
What the heck?
How to not apply sunscreen 101.
Yes, like lasuli kadurong to.
Daryl's always perfect, like he's such a vibe. The rest of us are all sweaty and it is so hot.
I'm moving far away.